Okay, so let's get started for sourcing on Stack Overflow and Data Stack Exchange. So can you please tell me, or anyone can tell me here, if you have any idea about what is Stack Exchange or what is Stack Overflow? Deepak, Jay, Praveen, Sanchari, Ramya, Prerna, Vivek. Any idea what is Stack Exchange or Stack Overflow? Okay,
Shiva, according to me, it's like a GitHub like kind of website where programmers will do the coding.
good.
Sorry.
Yeah, good, I told.
So is my voice clear, Shiva?
Yeah, it's clear only. You're close to correct, but yeah, more accurate.
So that's what I know. Beyond that, I don't know, Shiva.
Okay, one thing I would say, Stack Overflow is Quora for developers. What is Quora? It's a question and answer platform. People ask questions and people who knows the answers for it, they answer for it. So similarly, the Stack Overflow is also Quora for developers. So Stack Overflow is a question and answer site for professional and enthusiastic programmers. Okay, so first go for an approach of direct search. We just logged in into Quora and went to users. So I have something called reputation, new user, voter, editor, moderators, bronze, silver. These are all the cups. What addition do we have? Stack, okay, a list of 177 Stack Exchange sites. So first answer, as I mentioned, it's Quora for developer question and answer site, and it is also a forum of forums. Okay, so in Stack Overflow, whoever is existing GitHub or in other websites also, they might be existing here also. So it's kind of a forum of forum. It's integration. Okay, if I see here network profile, I'll be able to see where all this person is available other than Stack Overflow. Okay, here I have about the Stack Overflows. So I click on accounts. So how many other accounts he have? He's on Stack Overflow, he's on Server Fault, he's on World Building, Ask Ubuntu, Software Engineer, Stack Apps. Okay, so the data of all these various forums are getting merged to the Stack Overflow or are getting merged to the data of Stack Exchange. So after coming here, we have all sites, we have top user, we have digest. Let's go for top users. Type to find the sites. So it's asking me which one you want to find. So I would not put much time on it, but just to show you like which all the sites are getting integrated with Stack Exchange. So many sites. It's in hundreds. Okay, so let's use some of the repositories built by some of the developers. Top users by country on Stack Exchange itself. top users by city. So this is simple direct search. This I'll share you. Let me share in a WhatsApp group itself. This is top user by country. Okay. So tag is something, earlier this code was something kind of a editable part, but now that particular thing has gone. It used to be earlier like this, where first we go to the new query. So it keeps optimizing it. So we'll have to keep on running behind those kind of things. So it used to be earlier like this entire code, where we'll have to edit how many reputation, 10 and more than that, and then months, or the user location like BLR or Bangalore or Bangalore and all. And then tag, we'll have to give Java or which are the language we are searching for. But that has gone now. We used to put this particular code over here. And say run query. Let's see in case if it is working now. It's been long that I've seen, but otherwise I'm using these direct tools only. So maybe meanwhile these fetches, we come here, direct thing. So tag, I say Java, location, I say Chennai. Now I'll say run a query. So this is top profiles by location, and this is top profiles by country. This is top profile by location and skills. Now if you see, I have all the list of profiles, user links and their reputations, the display name and people located in Chennai, and scores. So how many I have? I have some thousands of profiles, because it's a forum of forum. It's getting a data from GitHub, from Stack, from Ask Ubuntu, from various different forums. So I believe like there are 2,955 results. So earlier it was giving me the option of downloading this to the CV, but last week I experienced there was some problem. So let me just try this once again.
How you went to this?
Links I've shared with you in a WhatsApp group. You can just take those links. Okay. It is shared here. Okay. But it was coming in blank last time. So let me see. Okay. Wonderful. I got there. User link, reputation, trends, but it's non-clickable link. Here, where we here? Okay, here. Wherein it's clickable over here. So let me see in case if I can copy paste. I'll just use this many, not many. I'll try to copy paste. It's not giving me the right way of doing it. So maybe I'll create a recipe for this, a recipe creator, data miner, or scraping this particular data in Excel. We'll have to create a recipe creator. May not be now, but this is the way what we give a direct search. This recipe creation might take some time, so may not be now. Let me have a quick try. In case it is. No, I do not know the experts. I'll have to do some research and try to find out. It might take some time. There will be a separate session for a data miner recipe creation, so don't worry about it. Uh-oh, it's asking me to upgrade. Maybe I'll have to create another account because it gives me only 500 pages to scrape per month. So I guess for this month I've already exhausted because I was scraping from other parts. But otherwise what it will do is like it will give me in this part and I'll be able to download the Excel. It's giving me only one. Let me see in case if it would be a success. I believe like I ran out of the subscription. So that's the reason it's not giving. But yeah, it's like this. One thing we can do this, and second thing I can directly go from here, view the profiles. She has good number of reputations, 1,000 plus. So it's on LinkedIn, Medium, StackShare, or various places also. From there also I can approach him. 5,40,000 people has reached out to him. He answered 60 answers and asked 19 questions. He's from Tamil Nadu and 500 plus profile views, member for about 8 years, top tax Java, communities. Yeah, he's my go-to person. Let me go for his developer story. Joined in 2012, not many details about the company, but yeah. So here the trend I can see, how many questions he has answered and how he has been increasing his activity on Java since 2017, and recently the trend I've seen here. So yeah, is available in n number of accounts. Who prefers to keep a low profile. Number for 8+ years, people reached 1 lakh plus, question 66, answered 28. She's heavy on Android, but also on Java. So what kind of a question she would have answered? Reputation in last 3 to 4 years has been good. 2 gold badges, 51 bronze, 15 silver. Tax questions, answers, everything I can see here. Then again, we go to her developer story. Joined in 2011. Network profile. Not much here to see. Let's come to profile. Not much. She is only on a Stack Overflow, not on many sites. Meta user, let me see.
I
It's
think
the same.
this
Yeah,
person.
keeping a low profile. The person is keeping a low profile actually. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, this person has used the Stack Overflow on 2019. It's mentioned
But
as last.
from here, we can also see her activity of engagement on Stack Overflow from 2017 to till date. Okay. And Malavika. Let's see this part. This is the interesting. So what happens is this kind of a sites, Stack Overflow, GitHub, HackerEarth, HackerRank, which ask us to sign up using Google. So 70 to 80% of people sign up using Google. So when we sign up using Google, by default, what happens is, let me see my own profile. Okay, I have edited it, but sometimes I've seen the cases. By default, what happens is my user would be created in such a way, whatever the text which is before @Gmail, that goes to my user URL pattern. Jay, if you have created just now your Stack Overflow profile, can you please check what is your user URL name?
After users, it gave me a number and then J-B. So J-B.
J-B. Okay, fine. So it's taking a number and then giving a first name hyphen last name. So might not be here. It is possible. Sanchari, you created your GitHub profile.
Yes.
Okay, so can you please confirm what's your user URL ID?
Just check. Yeah, it's github.com/, then the user ID, whatever I have provided while logging in.
While logging in. That's a text before
Yes.
@Gmail.
No, because this I didn't log in using my Gmail ID.
Okay, in case
I created my login user.
Got it.
But
got
for
it.
Stack Overflow, I have used my Gmail ID. I'm just checking.
No, Stack Overflow, I guess by default it's giving a user
It
a
Gmail,
URL
yeah.
as a first name hyphen last name, this part. But
Right.
wherein there are some of the sites, most of the sites actually creates a user pattern in such a way that which is a text before @Gmail is going to our user URL pattern. And most likely we can assume that that particular text @Gmail is going to be their email ID. Didn't get? Okay, let me give an example. So let's suppose this is Hacker Earth. Okay, so he would have signed up using his Gmail ID. Okay, so if the person signs up using Google, then whatever the text before gets here in the user pattern. So the standard URL pattern of Hacker Earth for individual profile is this, but within this part, let me just verify. We just go, let's view for few more results. We'll just pick this, add gmail.com. We take this. Otherwise, for most of the profiles, you'll have an additional link in a Hacker Earth. Very few, as this person was keeping a low profile. So that's the reason we did not get the additional links where we can contact the person from. Okay. So we have just given like this. Now we are verifying whether they will be existing. Okay, so it just, there is no pick, no change, less chances. Okay, now if you see the profile pic like this, yes, they are existing. Wherein if you see like this, less chances. I'm not saying not existing, but less chances. But if you see profile pic like this, yes, they're existing. And this is something non-unique, Damini 52. Suraj 98D. Rajesh 1795. Okay, so these two are, let's see now. So for these two, we got the confirmation, but wherein for this one and this one, we did not get the confirmation, right? So let me minimize. One way of doing it. The first immediate process is like go to Google Compose and try whichever we can verify, we are verifying it. Create a contact. Okay, I just give, I do not give anything, but something I've given, or maybe something like this @gmail.com. I'll say save, maybe it would be saved, but might not be verified. No label. Second, I go create contact. I don't give anything, but let me see. After giving her email ID, something comes. Okay, still nothing is coming. Okay, so now third way of checking it. We sign out, use another account. Now, if I give something here, gmail.com, So it says could not find Google account. But now we give this. So if there is a Google account, it's asked for a password. So that means that is existing. Anusha167@gmail. Right. Where did it go? So yeah, this is not existing. So from 4, we got 3 people email IDs with confirmations. So we'll have an email verification. This is just the email finding, but how to make sure these emails are related to that person? We have a special different session on it going forward about finding email and verifying it. There's one of the session which has already been completed, and I've updated that video in YouTube also. You can just take a look at that in case if you want to dive deep in finding out the email IDs. Okay, so here we come back again to the Hacker Earth, and that's what I was saying. We just take a look at the various profiles, and from there we'll be able to see their contact details. We are running out of time. Maybe in 10 minutes we'll get disconnected, so please re-log in again. So same thing with this guy. He has given something here. Or is there a way that I can directly reach out to him? I'll have to log in. Okay, front-end engineer, Angular. Okay, this is his GitHub profile. So whoever is on GitHub, 99% you'll be able to see their email IDs. Here the additional link. That's not working. This is my own profile. It's on various pages. So yeah, any questions still here? So this is about the direct search. And indirect, as Jay has created a string just now. Member 4. So this is indirect. Jay, was it a member 4 or which was that worked for you?
Oh yeah, member 4. Java and member 4. Yeah, correct.
Bangalore or Bengaluru. Something went wrong. So this is Stack Exchange, not Stack Overflow. So these are the profiles on Stack Exchange. But if I go for Stack Overflow, this would change. So Stack Exchange, I'm using it to get the data with a skill and with the location when we are using it in this way with this particular URLs. So we are giving a tag name and the location name, and from there we are getting the first data, the consolidated list, which we have seen. And second, the indirect search, which what I'm doing is on a Stack Overflow. So don't get confused between Stack Exchange and Stack Overflow. Stack Exchange is the forum of forum. Stack Overflow is a question and answer site for developers. It's wrong.
URL is not correct.
Yes, people reached.
Shiva, in URL L is
Yeah, thank you. Yes, now we get more appropriate. So these people raised or member for, we can keep on checking where we have more number of results. Did I get only 14? Something wrong, I believe, but otherwise this should be way beyond. Now again, it's coming down to 14.
number for an
Let me try. What you're saying, Vivek?
में कर दो ना
You want to share your screen and show something?
put that in bracket.
Did you ping some chat or something? This is strange. So instead of in URL, now we have used site. So in our next session, we'll cover what's the difference between when we are using in URL and when we are using site.
Sure, take it.
Yeah.
Sure. In this insight now, let's save Stack Overflow. Can we give a reputation range? Let us say I'm looking for 5,000 and above. Let us say 4,000 and above.
Okay. Please share your screen and share your problem statement, and we'll work on it. Let me stop sharing.
And no, sure. My keyboard is not working.
Okay, no problem. Let me open few profiles and tell me where is the reputation or score. Vivek, you there?
Reputation is directly under the photo itself.
No. Where did you see reputation? Okay, here, this one, right?
Yes.
This one, right? Okay, let's try. That's a good question. How many you want minimum?
We can look something about 10,000.
No, I don't think so. Because this gray part is again a grade 1, but let's not go with that. Instead of reputation, just give 10,000 to 50,000. So this should be okay. Let's view now. This profile already viewed earlier. So that we getting it either from the reputation or from the scores. So 21,000, this we already had viewed earlier. This we already have viewed. No, it's not taking from the reputation. Three lakh 53,000, but it has taken from the score. It's not giving from the reputation, but it would have given from score, not even a score. So from this profile, where did it take beyond 10K? From here or anything else that we see numbers?